Hey guys, so what you see in front of you right now is a DC motor. For those of you wondering what a DC motor is actually useful for, it is most commonly used in toys. As an example, a remote-controlled boat will be using a DC motor to power the boat. If ever you happen to buy a remote-controlled car and get bored of it, break it apart into pieces and I'm certain you will find a DC motor inside it. The DC motor is a machine that transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy in form of rotation. Its movement is produced by the physical behavior of electromagnetism. DC motors have inductors inside, which produce the magnetic field used to generate the movement. So, how does this magnetic field change if DC current is being used? An electromagnet, which is the piece of iron wrapped with a wire coil that has voltage applied in its terminals. When the two fixed magnets are added to both sides of this electromagnet, the repulsive and attractive forces will produce a torque. Then, there are two problems to solve: feeding the current to the rotating electromagnet without the wires getting twisted, and changing the direction of the current at the appropriate time. Both of these problems are solved using two devices: a split ring commutator and a pair of brushes. As it can be seen, the commutator has two segments which are connected to each terminal of the electromagnet. Besides the two arrows are the brushes which apply electric current to the rotary electromagnet. This way, as the electromagnet is moving, its polarity is changing and the shaft may keep rotating. Even if it is simple and sounds that it will work great, there are some issues which make these motors energy inefficient and mechanically unstable. The principal problem is due to the timing between each polarity inversion. Now, since polarity in the electromagnet is changed mechanically, at some velocities polarity is changing too soon, which result in reverse impulses and sometimes in changing too late, generating instantaneous stops in rotation. Whatever the case, these issues produce current peaks and mechanical instability.